Imagine you are a startup founder with brilliant business ideas. Before writing even a single line of code, you spend days creating business plan, software requirements, user stories, project management, and product roadmaps, documentation, and risk assessment. Now imagine if an AI could generate all of that for you in just few minutes. That's exactly why I built Sprint Pilot AI. Hello everyone, my name is Anshu Gupta. I'm a final year computer science student, passionate about artificial intelligence, software engineering, and building real world products so that it solve meaningful problems. So the problem is planning a new business or software product involves many repetitive and time consuming tasks. Founder need to create business plan, product manager write software requirements, development team prepare for user stories and roadmaps, manager perform risk analysis and documentation. Most exciting tool help organize for this work, but they still require people to do everything manually. I wanted to build an AI assistant that automates the entire planning process. Why AI isn't? The traditional chatbot answer one question at a time. You ask for business plan, then you ask for requirement, then user stories, then documentation. It become repetitive. Sprint Pilot AI work differently. It use AI powered workflow where specialized business tool work together to transform a single business idea into complete execution plan. Okay, let me show you the architecture of Sprint Pilot AI. Here, okay. So the user give business idea. The agent check for the missing information. What is missing information? Let's say we didn't give him audience budget. So it check for the missing info. Then he ask again for the missing info. If there is everything is given, then he start everything manually. The first business planning tool, second requirement generator, user story generator, roadmap generator, risk analysis, document generator, executive summary, and then final business execution plan report. It's AI powered architecture, so we can leave it. Now let me show you the live demo of our agent. Okay, so I want to okay. Then sprint pilot operation require a report. Uh, this is how we plan everything: high level phase, timeline, critical milestone, key operation, business plan, is performance, and now I have a roadmap. This is like something like this. Okay, okay. So technology I used in Sprint Pilot A building agent, Google Agentic Development Kit, a Gemini 2.5 Flash, Fast API, Python, Pedantic. So this is the only fast version of Sprint Pilot AI. In the future, I plan to integrate Google or GitHub automation, Google Workspace, calendar integration, real-time collaboration, interactive dashboard, and business analytics. My goal is to evolve Sprint Pilot AI into a complete AI-powered platform for a business planning and project execution. So, Sprint Pilot AI is demonstrate how AI can simplify one of the most challenging stages of any project, turning an idea into a structured execution plan. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed the learning about Sprint Pilot AI. Thank you so much. This is Anshu Gupta signing off.